Hello and welcome to the highest point in Denmark, Ejer Bavnehøj, 170 meters above sea level. Ejer Bavnehøj is located just south of Skanderborg, which is a city located just south of Aarhus, the second largest city in Denmark. And Ejer Bavnehøj is situated here right in the middle of really wonderful nature. And what is really impressive about this place is that there's a possibility here to sleep right in the middle of nature, and I'll show you. So when I go through here, see here a nature path, and then when you bring your sleeping bags, you can actually stay here for the night at the highest point in Denmark. There you go. There's a little fireplace, and there's even a toilet, and I'll show you. Okay. So here's the toilet. Voila.